Let's take a look at lettering. I'm going to select the letter tab. We have different fonts in here and a second page with two fonts that are called a 7mm. I'll come back to that. I'm going to open up the first block font. Across the top, you have the choice of upper and lower. You have small and large letters, a viewer, the trash can, and then over here, the file folder for when you want to save your lettering. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my name, and then I'm going to use lowercase letters there. I want to put a space after there, so I'm going to page over to the spaces, and then page back, uppercase, and then my last name. This would be great if I wanted to put this on the edge of a quilt. And if I wanted to put a date there, I could put a little space and page over some more. I would get numbers here after my lettering, and then you would have punctuation and some little tiny designs if I wanted to put a little heart after there as well. Once I get done, I can take a look at it in the viewer so I can see what it's going to look like, just in case. I want to make sure I didn't spell anything wrong. There we go. If I wanted to go back through any of my designs that I create, I would use the arrows here to back up, and the highlighted would be the one I would be choosing at that time. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and delete this because I want to show you the difference between the block 7mm letters, which are on the second page here, and the block letters that are right here. So I'm going to open this one up, and I'm going to put in a capital A and a lowercase g, like that. And then I'm going to page to the 7mm block font, and I'm going to put in a letter A and a lowercase g. Now the G's look different, but the difference between this one here, this is the 7mm. That means it's filling the whole 7mm space. This is a regular font, and it's not going to fill the whole 7mm space. So when I have letters that have like a lowercase g that has something that would hang below the line, it will hang below the line when I stitch this out. This would push the lowercase letters up so they do not hang below the line. So that makes a difference. And you can really see when you get close, the opening right here is your foot, and this A starts partway through. This one fills that whole space right here. And that's working with our lettering.